Welcome back again to our 4 short episodes of our podcast, Skill
Issue!
Woo! Do you have skill issue? We all have skill issue.
Yeah.
But before that, just in case you forgot, alam ko naman din ako makakalimutan, but just in case you did, what's wrong with you?
She's a star. How could you forget her? She's the sun.
Okay, going back. My name is Pamela Lantakon, and you can call me Fam for short. And of course, I'm with my co-hosts and co-members.
Hi, my name is Julie. I'm sorry I'm still not here, but yeah, nandito pa naman ako.
I'm Samantha Sikay. Once again, call me Sam.
It's it's your boy Dre here again.
So I have to apologize again because unfortunately, imbis na tao yung nakikita nyo, eto, yung nakikita nyo. I mean, Julie's here.
Spiritually.
Spiritually.
She's here. Physically, behind the camera. Pero,
Worship room.
Whatever.
Ow!
Anyways, alam ko naman din mo kami papabayaan. Pero I just can't stand you kahit na-cute ka. So, anyways, let's get back to business, no? So, what do you think about yung mga in-interview nyo kagabi?
Actually, given where their young age, man, they're surprisingly good. They're surprisingly good. Like they're well taught. They're actually giving, like some well thought opinions and stuff, But overall, they're good. They're
Masyado
good.
ka na speechless. Ha? Siguro yung naalala mo yung mga sagot nila kahapon.
Yes,
So, parang,
it's true.
Wait
It's true.
lang, I cannot remember. Masyado ka na speechless.
It does.
So,
It does.
thank you so much sa mga senior high school na aming na-interview or kanilang na-interview. In my case, sumali sa aming podcast. So, what do you think, Sam?
I really like ng insights nila and even the information they gave. It's so eye-opening,
Paano eye-open?
It's so eye-opening. Like, I didn't
Paano
know.
eye-open? Okay,
But like what Adriel said about their young age, like them, they got something. Like I'm old and I don't have nothing. I still have nothing.
Alright. Why don't you just give a small explanation or description rather of what we're gonna do today?
Yes, for this time with the podcast, our guests will pretty much be college students. College students.
Our levels.
Our levels,
Let's-
our peers.
let's go, let's go.
Dahil senior high pa lang yung mga tao kahapon. Mas okay yung mga sagot nila. Okay yung mga sagot nila. Parang hindi sila college.
Yes.
Ay! Wrong! Parang hindi sila senior high. Masyado kang advanced, fam. Oh my God. My bad. Okay, going back. So, please continue.
We will pretty much ask them our own personal questions, just like senior high school students, and we would also let them share or showcase their own insights, experience, and pretty much their own knowledge
And opinions?
and opinions. Yeah, sorry about that.
I got you, girl.
Yes, very helpful. She's very helpful. Yeah.
So, Andrew, why don't you just introduce our lovely guests and speakers right now?
All right, let's go. Let's introduce them, my guys. We got CJ and then Gian.
Oh, you're here now. Amazing. The power of editing. Sana all. Adriel, why don't you introduce them again?
Okay, so let's introduce yourselves first, please, and also what is your full name, and of course, name and age, and what school level. So let's start with CJ.
Okay, so I'm Christian Joshua Ipermison. So I'm 22 years old and I'm an irregular college student. So in terms of school level, school year level, I'm like third year-ish, papuntang fourth year. So
Sinabi niya irregular, hindi niya sinabing bagsak, ha? Ikaw, kumusta ka?
Okay.
What about you? Answer the question.
I am Gian Adrian de los Santos. I am 20 years old. I am second year college in Bachelor of Science in Business Management, major in Financial Management.
Wow, sana all. So magbabangko ka?
Yes.
Marami kang pera? Sana all.
Meron naman. May
Oh
Yan lang
yes,
muna.
sorry CJ. I forgot about what's your course CJ? It's
Oh.
like Gian already told it.
I'm a multimedia student.
Yes.
Oh, so you do everything.
Yes,
You know how to ballet? Try mo
Mm-mm.
nga.
Mixed martial arts. Yes.
Try mo dali dito.
Try mo.
dito.
Tan.
Okay, enough. Just enough.
Okay.
Anyways, going back, before we actually, you know, yung mga question na tinanong lang natin, syempre basic na yun. Ano lang yun for babies? Anyway, let's go back na nga. Ano ba? Let's go back na kasi. Sana all pumapalik. Yun
Yes,
na nga.
babalik.
Before we actually continue with the challenging questions, sabi mo, ano?
Hindi na siya babalik.
Okay lang yan. Let's start with icebreaker. Kasi yung isa dito, namumulan na kailangan ng ice.
Same. Okay.
Sorry.
So let me explain again the icebreaker mechanics. The mechanics, as usual, is pretty much the same. You have to guess on which artworks or text is generative AI or which one is human.
So what do you guys think? Are you guys ready?
Ready.
Ready?
Are you sure you're
Ah,
ready?
yes, ready. MMA is always ready. Woo!
Our finance
So
student
game
ready?
changing.
Yes.
I'm ready.
Ready na sana already game changing. Amazing! So, identify niyong dalawa kung is that AI or is that human made.
Parang...
5.
Human made.
Human made?
Human made?
4. 3. 2.
Human made.
Oh, yun.
Alright, let's see the answer.
Let's see the answer.
My bad!
Ano nangyari? Ba't bumalik?
Sorry. Answer?
I knew it! Yung sa buhok niya. You
It's
know.
not.
But you were wrong.
You pressured me. Okay.
I'm sorry.
To give
Next
more
time.
pressure-
Next time.
Okay,
Alright.
next
To-
one.
Wait a minute. To give more pressure, the price is candy.
Candy.
The price is
Okay.
candy. And
Alright.
The stake
Everyone
is high.
loves candy. I mean, who doesn't love candy? You're not human. You're an alien.
Yes.
Hindi kita kilala.
Oh.
Damn.
Next yeah. Ready? Is that Gen AI or human made?
not gonna lie, even I
5. 4.
Ano to?
Human.
Human to.
Human yan.
Mm.
Alright, let's see.
Let's
see.
see.
It is
Okay,
one
okay.
over
So it's
one.
1 over 1.
Yeah.
Ako nagkakumpiyahan lang kayo ng sagot, ah.
Oo nga.
Huwag naman.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Kinokopya ko siya pag inintay ko muna sumagot.
Ikaw ng artist, bro!
You're the artist. You're multimedia. Ito finance to.
Mm-hmm.
You should be better. No, joke.
Alright,
Go,
next
go,
one,
go.
Next one.
Next one. Is that human made or AI?
Gen AI.
Ang linis.
Gen AI? 5, 4, 3.
Gen.
Gen AI?
Yung ano nyo.
Okay.
Human ba?
Ay,
Wait, sabi niya, human niya kanina, diba?
No,
Sabi
he
niya.
said ano, Gen
Gen
AI.
Gen
He was
AI.
debating
You guys
it.
I was
should
debating.
Okay.
Ang linis
So,
pag ano eh.
whenever I say the countdown, kapag nag-5 na, you have to say your answer ng sabay, okay?
Okay.
And then lakasan nyo para narinig tayo ng mga viewers natin.
Our lovely
I
viewers.
love you viewers.
Mga manonood, stay tuned. Let's
Good,
go.
Shadow. Okay.
Alright, next one.
Is that AI or human made?
Gen AI.
Gen AI.
Gen AI?
Gen
Wala?
AI.
Wala pang
Ha? Wala pang countdown, grabe.
Yeah, there's so
It is.
Sagaling naman yun ang sagot. Anyways, coming back. Ready?
Yes.
Is this Gen AI or human
Ay,
made? Text edition.
Lagot.
When I say
Lagot.
text, and when I say text, I mean like either sentences or question.
Let's
Oh.
go.
Good
Kaya
luck.
niyo yan.
Like, are these questions
Madali lang
made
yan.
by AI or
Wow.
gawa ng tao?
Madali lang yan.
Hopefully.
Madali lang yan. Sa
Hopefully.
Alright, sirs. Here we go.
Sa akin yan.
Okay. Now this sentence, is this sentence AI
You guys have to speak up,
or
ha?
gawa ng tao?
You guys read it muna. Are you guys done reading?
What mathematical human in?
You guys have a hip na?
Okay. 5, 4,
4,
3, 2, 1.
One.
Gen AI.
Gen AI sa'yo, human.
Let's see,
Human.
let's see.
Human, okay. CJ is human. You're an alien.
Yes.
Why?
That's right!
Okay.
Who's got the point? It's, ilan ang points nila? 2? No, sige.
3, 2,
Power
3
of
ata.
editing,
2,
guys.
3.
Power
Power
of
of
editing.
Yeah.
It will show on the screen maybe.
Alright, next question. Next thing.
Okay. Next na. You guys ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Is this sentence AI or gawa ng tao?
The AI being implemented to every industry has been.
Good luck.
Human.
Human?
5.
Okay.
Human rin.
Human then?
Okay.
Okay.
Then, alright.
The answer is...
It is.
Yay!
It is human.
Diba? Ang dali
You guys
lang.
both have it.
Okay,
Yes.
next.
Right.
We're not gonna celebrate more of your victory.
Alright.
Yan.
Is this sentence human made or AI made?
Second to the last.
As this ability to
Gen AI.
Gen AI sa'yo.
Are you gonna copy?
No, I'm not gonna copy.
You're gonna contradict yung sinabi niya.
We are
Pero sino
redefining
kaya ang
yours.
tama? 5, 4,
3.
Human naman para may variation. Diba?
Yun lang.
So, sino ang
Kakiguri mo siya.
What's your answer?
Gen AI.
You're human.
Human, yes.
Answer.
It is
She keeps winning! Oh my, keep up!
Yes.
Keep up!
I have 2 weeks sa text.
Yan. You're doing great. Alright, this
Okay.
is the last question. This is the last ano, diba?
Yeah,
that's the
last
last one.
question.
Human.
Wala pang sila.
Wala pa.
Ay!
Grabe, ang lag.
You know what? Bahala na.
Competitive.
Okay, you can't change your answer.
Okay,
Nima.
human ka.
Human. Lock in.
Human.
Human. Okay. Sure na ba? Is it human or
Yes.
is it
Sure.
lie?
Human.
Let's see.
Yay!
I don't even have to
Pero,
ask.
like, I think Gian got the most points. Anyways, tune in guys. And what about you, our lovely participants? Ano yung muna sasabihin nyo sa kanila kasi we're gonna take a break, a short break.
Nothing?
Wala.
Okay, just
Bye.
bye-bye lang.
Welcome back again, guys. So, kakagaling namin sa break namin. And now, actually, let's proceed with our challenging questions. Are you guys ready?
Ready.
Ready na.
Ready.
Parang naman
Ready
yung
na?
other
Where's
host ko.
the
Parang
energy?
yung energy, oh my
Yeah,
God.
Where's your energy? Come on.
Yes, ready
Ready
na.
na.
Game
It's
change.
like we starved you.
How about my co-host? Are you guys ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Yes. Am I? Yes.
Ako dito lang ako. Sitting pretty lang ako dito.
Yes, the icon.
Or, sana all.
Same.
Okay, so first question. What did you think when you first heard about Gen AI? Let's start with CJ first.
Yung narinig ko, yung Gen AI, I think, nung yung time ni Sam Does Arts, yung nagka-issue siya when tinrain yung model off of his art without consent. So,
Copyright.
yeah. So, parang na siya, parang yung first impression ko pa lang is parang may ethical issues na mangyayari talaga kasi these are like images that you can just generate out of thin air na parang off of real data. Okay, that's all.
Yeah, the watermarks, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about you, Gian?
First impression ko po sa Gen AI. It gives ideas po and makakatulong po siya sa mga schoolworks ko po.
As a personal sa schoolworks
Yes.
mo. So, sa kanilang dalawa, sa inyong dalawa, sa'yo, medyo bad impression sa'yo. Tapos sa kanya, good impression.
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, versus again?
Yes.
Who's gonna
The
win?
flash.
They can both exist naman kasi.
Tama. Para balance. Diba?
Yeah, so next question. Nag-use ba kayo ng generative tools? Like, do on anywhere? And if so, what software ba? And what do you use it for? Like, is it school work? Or like, essays? Like, personal?
Ikaw naman muna, Gian.
Yung ginagamit kong AI po ay ChatGPT, Gemini, and Dolab.
So, you used to be.
Opo. I'm
Like-
using,
Go, sorry.
ginagamit ko po yun para mag-correct grammar and fact check.
Para Grammarly.
Oh.
Yeah. I get it. Everyone
Search.
needs it, yeah.
Mm-mm.
How about you, CJ?
So same rin with Gian na but except yung Dola. So I use mostly yung mga LLMs, so large language models na tawag dito. It gets data from like the internet, 'di ba? Yung Google.
it is.
So I use it for like siguro grammar check rin, like, and then yung siguro sa pagka-expand pa ng like ideas, if it can give me more ideas or something. Tas siguro na rin I use it for making the a letter sound like formal, something like that.
Okay,
Yeah.
so just to confirm, you both use AI.
Yes.
On schoolwork specifically.
Schoolwork
Mm.
specifically. Okay. Adriel, what about you? Do you have any question?
Actually, I do have. So let's move on to the next. I wouldn't say next set, but like the next type of questions. So let's go with, the behavioral and the psychological factors. So my first question is, what made you start using Gen AI in the first place?
Siguro yung
Yeah,
Sige,
you can
sige,
start. You
sige.
can start.
siguro yung vastness ng this is for for the text data. Siguro it's with the vastness, especially yung sa Gemini. It's run by Google, so like madaling maghanap ng information or something like that. You can make it more efficient. Yun. So that's why I decided to use this kasi siya, parang rich in maybe data. Pero, data, but like, you still have to fact check, siguro.
So like gathering resources.
Yes.
Parang ganun.
It's
Like,
maybe,
Useful ones.
What
Okay.
about you? Like, same lang ba din kay CJ?
Still school setting?
Yes, school
I
setting.
see.
So, same lang kayo sa na yun, na
Yes.
ginagamit niyo siya sa ganong paraan.
Yes.
Like, is there any other else other than school setting, like for essays?
Not really.
Wala. Okay. Then, let's move on.
Can you speak up? Kasi baka hindi tayo naririnig na ating viewers.
Our lovely
Sayang
viewers.
naman.
Narinig mo
Narinig
tayo,
mo.
mga guys.
Can you hear
Narinig
us?
niyo po.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, let's go with the next question. How do you feel ba when using like generative AI tools sa work mo? Like, what do you feel about it? Like, do you feel like, just meh? Or like, do you feel like
So, you mean work sa nila, sa school nila, or sa mga need nilang gawin?
Yeah, need nilang gawin, yeah.
Napapadaling yung mga ginagawa ko sa schools. Ganun. Tapos nagbibigay po siya ng idea para sa akin.
You feel it's helpful.
Helpful
Very
talaga.
helpful.
Very
So-
helpful.
Positive.
So, from 1 to 10, how would you rate it?
7.
7.
Mm.
Okay.
It's a 7.
I'll ask you why mamaya, pero let's proceed with CJ
Okay.
first.
Yes.
So, yung feeling ko, diba, about it is, half of it is like, I do appreciate yung how efficient it is. Like, I do like it na, it can help you, like, gather ideas or perspectives or, like, further expound it more. But on the other half, I really feel guilty since, like, I know this data is probably, scraped off from, like, an author or something na they don't have any knowledge off of. So, like, na hindi nila alam na ginagamit ko works nila. So, and also it doesn't help na parang if I rely a bit on it too much, parang it will dull out my capabilities rin. So like if I don't use my brain, it might dull out. Yeah.
So, Adriel, remember our last episode, no, episode 1, nung nagda-debate tayo, di ba?
I was about to.
Diba?
I was about to say that as well.
Gets mo.
Flashback na rin ako.
But like Fam, he also said it, he said that sometimes like the works of the other artists doesn't get sourced well.
Yeah.
Yes, pero sometimes, pero yun yung sa original nga, di ba, medyo tinatweak na ng AI. So, paano nga natin masasabi na if it's, gets naman. So,
Yeah.
rage bait.
Here comes the dragon
I hated
again.
the air.
Okay, going back again. Sam, do you have any question or Adriel?
Yeah,
Wanna share?
I think it's my time to ask.
Sure, tante
Again.
shy.
Yeah. Okay, so the next question is: has incorporating Gen AI in your schools or creative work changed your overall daily routine or like tendencies or patterns? like, nag-change ba all of a sudden when you suddenly use AI for anything or hindi naman? If yes, then why?
Oh,
Let's start with you, CJ.
sige. So, I guess it did rin kasi before, after I finish an activity, I'll just have to like recheck it myself na lang and then like hope for the best. I wish for the void of uncertainty na tama tong ginawa ko. So, with with the naman, with sa AI naman, I had parang with the addition of AI, parang pinapacheck ko muna siya if it feels a bit stiff or like if it needs improvement somewhere or like pag may mali ba saan. Of course, I do fact check na naman like myself. So like approval ng AI and me. So yun yung tawag dito. That's how it changed it.
So parang 50-50 kayo ng AI.
Oo, ganun.
Wow.
Yeah, different
Balance.
Gian.
Yeah, how about Gian?
Sa akin po, no? Hindi po.
The same thing. The same thing.
Opo.
Ah,
Hindi
I
rin.
see.
Hindi rin.
So, the next question, I have a similar question. It's somewhat similar to the previous one, but this time would be overall workflow. Like, nagdadalian ba ng work mo? Kasi
Mas
may-
madali ba yung work nyo? Kasi, you know, you have AI. Mas madali.
Like giving ideas.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, like personalized studying and so,
So,
on.
paano siya naging madali kung madali siya sa inyo? Let's start with you, Gian.
Para sa akin,
Pressure. Under pressure.
under pressure.
Tama lang, tama.
Para sa akin, talaga siya, nagkaroon siya ng ideas talaga. Napapaano niya talaga yung, yung isip ko na kailangan ko ng more ideas about the topic using AI and how to, to
Improve it.
improve it.
So, you're saying na parang mas ina-elaborate. So, let's say, may sinabi kang word.
Yes.
And then, with the help of AI, parang niyang ina-elaborate pa, parang ina-explain niya yung
Ini-explain
word
niya
na
pa
yun.
talaga. Opo.
So, that's it.
Yes.
So, like sort of like personalized study.
Personalized
Yeah.
studying.
How about you? How about
Siguro
you?
yeah. I think it helped me improve yung workflow ko since especially when it comes to written tasks talaga. So first it helps me it helps me improve yung articulation ko siguro ng ideas and thoughts and that I want to put in text. So like inaano ko muna yung idea ko and then pinapa-generate ko. Then like I personalize it, ganun.
So, halos same lang din sa kanilang dalawa. Kung paano
Yeah.
nila ginagamit yung AI.
Like the ideas. And
Yeah.
Okay, so, ang next question ko is, if ever meron kayong ganitong experience, like, then describe a time where, you encountered such difficulties dun sa paggawa ng assignment nyo or sa task, and how did Gen AI, helped in like managing it or assisting it?
Like a difficult
Paano niyo
math.
paano niyo napadali yung work niyo?
Oo,
Like,
tama.
syempre kayo, sabi niyo, ang hirap nito. Paano napadali ni AI yung work na yun para sa inyo?
Yeah, let's start with CJ.
Sige. So basically, may written assessment kami na about digital likeness. So I wanted it in an academic tone. Pero like, since I'm very rusty, pinaano ko muna siya. So yung mga ideas ko, nilagay ko. And then I said, do it in an academic tone. Tapos, and deconstruct it as well, how you formulated this. So, parang kinomprehend ko na yun, yung binigay niya sa akin, and then I was able to like apply it siguro.
Mayroon po ako scenario na marami po akong pinagawa yung mga prop ko. Iba't ibang subject.
So, patong-patong.
Patong-patong po. Tapos, hindi ko po alam kung paano ko gagawin siya. Kaya, yung ibang mamahirap, pinagawa ko sa AI. Hindi naman masyadong pinagawa. I'm 50-50 lang po. Di po ako talaga na mag-rely po talaga sa AI. May pa talaga.
In short, parang ang inanong mo is, you ask AI na, how can I do this?
Oo.
So, tinanong mo siya ng instructions.
Yes. Tapos,
Ah.
guidelines.
Kasi baka mamaya sabihin ng mga viewers natin,
Hindi.
hala, hindi ka graduate to.
check mo naman. No?
Yes.
Check.
Fact check.
No? Sabihin ng prof niya, pag nakita, hindi ka graduate to, naku, ini-AI yung mga works.
Oy,
Ebis ka na, Gian.
Yes.
Prof, Oh, okay lang siya. Okay lang siya.
Okay.
Assistant
siya.
lang. Assistant, di ba?
Oh,
Yes, assistant
lang
lang,
naman, di
assistant.
ba? Huwag kang kabahan. Hindi makikita to ng prof mo, ibablock siya. Okay, going back.
Alright, going back.
Oh, yeah. So, how about, paano niya nare-regulate ng use niyo of generative AI tools and software? Like, how do you manage it? Like, just every other, like, week lang? Or like, nasabi niyo, I'm just gonna, use it in this one thing lang. I'm just gonna use this, I'm not gonna do it on, like, other stuff.
Or,
I can do it.
or do you use it every day talaga?
Yeah, do you? Do
Do
you?
you?
Do you?
Depende.
What do you mean,
Depende.
depende?
Siguro
Paano
pagka...
kumain? Chat mo sa GPT.
Paano kumain?
What?
Paano mag-wash ng dishes?
Totoo ba sige?
Tinuro na yun, Asian parents.
Siyempre.
By not, like, trying, siguro relying on it too much. Parang, pag nag-prompt ka something, kasi iba may mga ganun na, pag nag-prompt, pasa na yan. Walang fact check, walang ganun. Okay. So,
Parang ano lang,
oo.
katamaran na lang talaga.
parang sort of like that. I want to like avoid that. Parang I want to also put my input in it. And parang sa ano ba? Yung siguro yung to encourage rin yung critical thinking ng So like hindi ka asa sa critical thinking ng AI rin, 100% sa AI.
So, in short, parang gusto mo siyang gamitin, pero at the same time, ginagaslight mo yung sarili mo na this is wrong.
Ganon.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Pero kung madali lang naman yung yung mga pinapagawa, di na ako nag-realize sa
Wow, smart. Kailangan ng utak. Sige na. Sige na.
Okay, so I'm losing track. But anyway, so doon naman tayo dun sa environmental factors. So ang question ko naman is, in-encourage ba kayo ng school or company, but in this case school kasi nag-aaral pa naman tayo, in-encourage ba kayo ng school na, about like the implementation of AI tools and softwares, well specifically Gen AI tools and softwares in your works? If oo, or like yes, then in what ways? If hindi, I guess wag na.
Try to share it with us, guys.
Let's start with Gian.
Okay.
Na-pressure ito eh. What?
Sabi niya,
Ako
yes! Yes, I can copy my answers!
Alright.
For me, di po siya na-mention sa school namin.
So,
Gamitin talaga.
Hindi
AI.
supportive.
Di pa supportive.
Wait lang, I'm confused. So, hindi na kasi natin alam kung sinusupport pa siya or hindi siya sinusupport. Kasi, kagaya nga ng sabi mo, hindi siya minimension sa school at
Yes.
all. So, parang yung teachers mo, they don't mention it, even the school. Kasi di ba there are other schools na minimension talaga, use AI. Or kaya may other schools din na nagme-mention na, don't use it. Di ba?
So it's more like
So,
neutral sila.
Parang neutral
Neutral
sila.
na sila.
Yeah.
Pero
okay,
may circumstances ba or scenarios na sinabi ng teacher mo, baka gumagamit kayo ng AI ha? Or never talagang minention?
Ay, never.
I
Never
never.
talaga.
Oh.
So ano mo lang talaga, choice nyo lang talagang students
Yes.
no to use AI. Masamang estudyante.
Alright, what about CJ?
Siguro sa iAcademy, it's like both, siguro. Yung, if I remember correctly, do you guys remember na dun sa business class natin, nagka-talk about, Adobe Firefly.
Yeah, that one.
I-
The
I
Yes.
forgot
generation.
that one,
I think I was
enlighten
there.
me.
So they were pitching it in. So, as I think, na rin, like, it can be considered na parang pinopromote nila yung usage. But to make the siguro workload more efficient, so, ganun.
Oh,
And-
yun yung pinost and then marami nagalit.
I think.
Parang nakita ko yun.
I think
Yeah.
so. I was there on that day and I saw that post and I was like, oh wait, ang daming
Mm-mm.
angry emojis and stuff. But yeah, yun lang naman.
Pero rin, at the same time, na they discourage it rin when it comes to siguro academic like plagiarism na agad. So, like, parang
So parang
Oh,
kapag
parang-
naapektuhan na yung pagiging estudyante mo talaga.
yes, sort of. Ganun parang pagka siguro hindi mo hindi mo lang man in-edit, hindi mo lang ganun, parang pinasa mo na lang ng as is, raw. Yeah.
Talaga,
So balanced.
Oh.
Sila.
balance yung
Mm-mm.
academy.
Yep.
Wow.
Yes.
So, next one is, describe mo ng situation na meron ikaw na you were asked or like na-encourage na ma-use mo ng generative AI software.
Oh, so like, may friend ba kayo or may kakilala kayo? Even family members, let's say na sinabi na parang, alam mo, nakikita ko sa'yo, hirap na hirap ka na. Why not use AI?
Ah, okay.
What about you, Gian? Parang may gusto kang sabihin.
Well,
Sabi siguro, no, paano ko kayo isasama ko, no? Paano ko kayo sasagutin to?
Oh.
Pwedeng boss? Bawal! Ano, sasabihin mo na.
Meron akong scenario na na hirap na hirap ako sa
Sa task.
task na yun, isang task na yun. Tapos nakita pa ako ng classmate ko na
Wait
nahihirapan.
lang, sorry. Paano ka nahihirapan? Sabihin mo sa amin yung
Like-
paano hirap talaga.
Like, di ko talaga siya ma-determine na paano to sasagutin, ganun.
Like,
Like,
nag-ano ka na,
Oo,
nagbe-breakdown ka na
breakdown,
talaga.
brainstorm na ako. nun.
Hindi, I mean, parang na-overwhelm ka na, parang konti na lang nasi-stress ka na,
Yes.
nade-discuss
Stop na
ka
ng processing mo.
Oo.
Parang
Yun.
sabi mo siguro, ganon. Nagre-relapse ka dun
Hindi.
sa hallway.
Hindi naman.
Ay, hindi naman.
Siyempre.
Sayang.
So, stress lang.
Stress lang.
I
Okay.
see.
Okay, continue.
And then, nag-ano sa yung kaibigan ko, nag-advise na gumamit ng AI. Nag-advise. Nag-advise. Advice. Hindi mo naririnig. Hindi mo naririnig. Sorry. Nag-advise na gumamit ako ng AI na I am, 50-50 na, gumamit ng AI. Pero kailangan ko rin mag-ano sa,
So, parang, the same time, 50-50 ka na, kasi hindi ko naririnig eh.
hindi mo, sorry. Sorry po.
So, parang 50-50 ka that time, kasi parang sinasabi, is this like your midterms or, like, important task talaga siya?
Or just
Oo.
homework.
Or
Fine.
homework lang.
Important task.
Important task. So, parang sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, gusto kong gumamit, pero this is important, I have to do this alone, pero hindi ko na alam gagawin ko. Parang ganon. Tapos sasabi ng kaibigan mo, just use AI, wala, hindi naman nila malalaman, parang ganon.
Oh.
Masamang kaibigan.
Yes.
Yung nanonood nito,
Sorry.
Sana friends pa kayo?
Hindi na.
Dapat lang.
Oh.
That's fam's accusation. We have nothing to do with it. Wala po kami yan.
No, why not? Honestly, basing off dun sa sinabi ko sa first, regarding sa Firefly, I think my thoughts on that were like, where do they source yung data nila? Kasi di ba, yung pagtitrain ng AI is like, they need yung previous works ng mga artists. So, how is that, paano nag-work ang library? Is it ethical or?
So just ethical issues.
Oh,
and
ethical
copyrights.
issues, yes.
Pero were you encouraged to use AI? Like, nung sinabi niya,
Sa Firefly.
so parang sinabi mo ba, I should try.
They encouraged, but I didn't want to use it kasi, I know, parang,
Hindi wala ka pa sa desperate situation.
yeah.
Buti pa siya.
The next question is, do you think the influence of using Gen AI from your parents or company or school affect on how you perceive your skills and work? If yes, then why? Like naisip, sa tingin mo ba yung influence ng paggamit ng AI from them affect on how you perceive your skills and work? If yes, bakit? Ganun. Let's start with
Sige, ako naman. Sa parents ko, not really. Kasi alam naman nila yung value ng idea over yung, yung final product. So like, so tinatry nilang i-support ako like in little ways na parang, this AI can't defeat you or something like that.
So parang
supportive.
you're more powerful.
Thank you po, ma.
Sa parents, wala rin po eh.
sa parents.
Sa schools, and sa,
Sa bahay niyo,
meron.
may nag-encourage sa'yo na gumamit?
Wala.
Apat ng company.
Wala.
Wala.
Like,
Oh.
nag-affect ba dun
So,
sa skills and work?
Nag-a-affect ba siya sa skills mo?
Sa school, nag-ano siya, nag-improve yung skills ko, nag-ano yung mga ideas ko, nag-improve mga may mga words ko nag-improve, may na-add to sa mga vocabulary ko. Yun, dahil sa yun.
So, in terms of your people surrounding you, parang hindi nila
okay.
naapektuhan kapag sinasabing, alam mo, gumamit ka na lang ng AI. Parang ganun. So, sarili mo talaga siyang choice.
Yes.
Kapag hirap na hirap ka na.
Yes.
Isa lang ibig sabihin nun. Huwag kang mahirapan.
Pwede ba yun?
So you're saying skill issue?
Skill
Yes.
issue.
Hey! She said the thing. She said the
Skill
thing.
issue.
She said the thing. Alright.
So, let's go with mine. So, I have another question. Like, an example, like, you see someone using generative AI, nag-grade ng score nila, or like, ng work nila.
Na ano ba yung tawag dito? Like, naapektuhan ba yung sarili mong decision kapag nakakita ka na mas better sa'yo? Kasi
Mas better
dahil
mo.
sa AI.
Parang ganun, yeah. Parang ganun.
Any comments from both of you? Of course you have.
Ayan.
You're forced to.
Meron akong scenario na nakita ko yung classmate ko na gumamit ng AI. Nag-quiz kami sa phone. Nakikita ko siya nagtatabs.
Oh my God.
Nagtatabs.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, whoever that classmate.
Lakas ng loob mo.
Ano ha?
Lakas ng loob.
Wala muna kayo.
Magtago ka ha?
Oh,
Whoever you are ha?
Tapos, yun, nagtatab siya. Tapos, mas mataas yung score niya sa akin. Pero hindi naman ako nag-ano. Kasi alam ko yung ginawa niya.
How would you feel na, kunyari best friends kayo,
Yes.
tapos he's using AI na hindi mo alam, pero he keeps on bragging na, ano mo taas ng score ko? Then you ask him, since best friends kayo, ano mo ginagawa mo? Paano review? Sabi niya, dali lang, AI lang. How would you feel?
Hindi na ako
Neutral na.
Associate,
No comment
Hindi
lang.
na no comment.
So, cut off mo na siya sa friend
Yes.
list mo.
Yes.
Sabihin mo,
Oh.
siguro sabi niya, bakit kawalan ka ba?
No, grabe.
Damn, okay.
Damn. Okay.
So, yung sa akin, I don't think it would really affect me. I think it would be more of like motivation to try and beat that mindset. Na kasi, di ba, you're just being proud of somebody else's creation at that point. So, hindi na yung skill mo kasi you relied on it to like automate it. So, pag ginawa mo, it feels more rewarding kasi you do get the concept and you can further apply it.
So, in short, pwede mo sabihin dun sa tao na yun, okay lang, wala ka naman talaga yung pagmamalaki. Okay?
Sort of like, hindi na pa ganun, okay?
If you think about it, di ba? Kasi hindi naman nila gawa yun eh.
From a philosophical point of view, parang dinaya nila sarili nila. Ganun.
Parang ganon. So, ibig sabihin, wala talaga silang ipagmamalaki if they ever
Mm.
brag it to you, di
So
ba?
at the end of the day, don't use it too much. That's what you're trying to say.
Yes, don't try to learn from it, but don't copy everything.
Wait lang. Quick break, guys. Okay ka lang?
Yes.
Kasi namumula ka na, oh.
Grabe talaga to.
Do you want me to fight by you?
Sorry pa ako po talaga si Anger.
Si Angry.
Angry.
Parang mas okay ka kay
Yung
sino yun?
isa,
Anxiety?
yung
Si
isa,
anxiety. Parang mas okay ka.
Ayan na.
Hindi siya
Yan na.
anxiety. Yung yung pink. Actually,
Yan na, yan na,
kamukha mo. Kapag yung nagpipink. Ay, oh my God.
Okay.
Di ba?
So, ang tanong ko is, of course, alam natin na, yung Gen AI naging integral part siya or like, becoming a staple in every, like, industry and beyond, especially yung educational nga,
Mm-mm.
and also the creative industry, blah, blah, blah. So, ang tanong ko lang is, what are your views about the ethical usage of Gen AI?
Sa iba't ibang
Okay.
industries.
Yeah.
Sige.
Yeah, you
sige.
start. You start.
I feel like we as a community really need to act upon like how we use AI ethically. So like not just yung people, also the law. So or else mahanap natin yung sarili natin na parang madami ng false information. It's really hard to tell kung what's real or what's not sa media ngayon. So yung rin sa may mga violations rin siya sa sa intellectual property rights. So parang na disregard na 'yon, and siguro many more. Sa creative industry naman siguro establishing ethical use of it is protecting na rin yung us artists. So parang hindi tayo madidiscard lang kasi 'di ba may mga instances na parang ginagamit yung natin, gawa natin as model training models, and then parang fina-fire na yung artist, and then yun na lang ginagamit. So we're gonna be left unemployed at that point. So
job concerns.
yes,
Like can we be unemployed tapos we still get money? Pwede ba yun?
pwede naman freelance.
I mean,
But
No, like,
there's content creator.
no, I mean, wala kang ginagawa. You're just a rock guy.
Ano mo, yung views mo dun sa yung sa ethic usage ng AI, ng Gen AI.
Sa industries here in the
Sa industry.
Philippines.
For me, okay naman siya. Hindi naman, sorry, I'm not a fan of, sa mga AI po. Hindi po ako talaga. Hindi ko pa siya halos,
Hindi mo siya masyadong binibigyan ng pansin.
yes. Pero, ginagamit ko siya for, lang.
Ganun. So, hindi mo siya masyadong pinapansin kasi hindi ka naman masyadong naapektuhan.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
kapag sa standards ng iba, wala kang pake.
Wala rin talaga.
Parang
Neutral.
gano'n. So, makasarili ka.
grabe.
Damn, I wish.
Makasarili ka.
I
Yun lang
wish.
ibig sabihin nun.
Asa?
If only neutral lang, wala. Wala na.
I think naman, CJ covered that question naman
Yeah.
perfectly.
Oo.
I think wala na masyadong nasabi si Gian kasi
Wala na
I think
masabi.
he covered
Oo.
it perfectly.
Sorry po.
May sige.
You should
Show
apologize.
Sorry, overachiever. Ay!
Tago ka na dun. Ano ka na
Ano
lang
lang siguro.
miss.
Ano lang po, disclaimer, I'm not really updated rin po sa AI, so... So, yeah, hindi po ako updated sa AI, kaya, I don't know. Yes!
Don't say that. Baka mamaya hindi na siya magsabi dito sa podcast na
Okay.
gano'n na lang siya.
Until, I'm gonna be quiet na lang. Shut up na lang. Ay!
Okay, so like for this one, can you give us an example where you can see someone is overly dependent on AI? Like, do you know someone you think is using it too much?
Meron po, yung I-mention ko din. Yung kanina po, yung nag-cheat nga po.
Do you know anyone else or like
Siya lang yung
Siya lang yun napansin.
Yun napansin ko
Bakit?
lang.
Yun lang ba yung instances kagaya ng sabi mo? Yun lang ba yung scenario na nakita mo siyang ganun or marami?
marami.
marami? Oh.
Like,
So, like,
kahit easy na essay lang.
So like 1 to 10,
What?
how over-reliant?
9?
Nine? Oh.
Ang taas
bakit
nun.
9? Bakit hindi 10?
Gagadget ba yun?
We have.
Close to home, y'all.
Bakit 9? Ba't hindi 10?
First of all, friend ko siya.
Kala ko pwede na
so-
kayo friends.
Dati yun.
Dati,
Ay, okay na kayo ngayon?
Hindi, dati yun, friends kami. Ngayon, hindi na.
So, first of all, kaya binigyan mo siyang 9 kasi dati kayong friends.
Yes.
So may sympathy pa.
Maawain ka.
Yes. Okay. Hindi pa siya,
Hindi mo-
convinced. Hindi pa siya convinced.
Okay, to save Gian, ikaw na lang.
ay, okay. Sige.
To save Gian.
Deceive me.
I can't say yung but this person nag-name drop. Siguro it happens like siguro there's a trend na behavioral pattern siguro na parang yun nga na mention ko na parang magpo-prompt lang sila and then they don't think too much about it and they just use it as a final work. So I think that's one example of overly reliance sa AI nga na hindi ka na nag-critical think, basta natapos na lang, submit na.
Yan
Pero
lang.
in your case, you know someone.
Yes.
So, kagaya ng tanong ni Sam, paano mo siya nakitang super dependent siya sa AI?
Is it just like the,
Kahit,
backward one?
oh my God, I'm so sorry. kahit like, with simple, parang describing what the data is about, hindi niya magawa.
Kasi iniisip
Oo.
niya na
No,
may
like,
AI naman eh.
parang ganun siya. Pero like, at that time kasi, parang nagre-revise ata sila ng, nagre-revise ata sila ng data. And then parang, yung pagka-names niya dun sa mga statistics, you're just gonna name the statistics, what is it about? Doon, nako-confuse siya about it. Parang ganun.
So, sa pagiging over-reliant mo sa AI, pati kahit sobrang basic na lang, parang hindi niya siya makapag-isip ng maayos.
Sort of. I'm so sorry pagka hindi yun yung case.
So, nawala ng skills.
I mean, it's your own ano naman eh.
Oo.
Sabi, palagay mo naman yun eh. So, parang same lang siya sa friend na, ex-friend, let's say,
Yeah.
ni Gian. Kasi,
Yep.
parang basic task na lang. So, sobrang basic question, sabihin natin basic essays na kailangan nilang gawin. Gumagamit na sila ng AI kasi ayaw na nilang mag-isip. In short, what I call that is katamaran,
We don't have to sugarcoat it. I think that's the ano talaga.
laziness.
Fair.
It depends on the person.
Okay, so why do you think discussing, the over-reliance of Gen AI matters for people and industry standards? Like, why or bakit siya importante na,
Pag-usapan.
pag-usapan ganun? Let's start with, let's start with you, CJ.
Okay. But why is it important na pag-usapan natin? It's like, it's important so that people don't like fall into siguro ideological traps na parang thinking na porque may tool, may tool na makakatulong doesn't mean na we should stop thinking for ourselves. Kumbaga, it can advocate rin yung parang for critical thinking at a modern age na parang quality is being lost na rin.
Alright, what about Gian?
For me, same din sa ano niyo po. Wag lang pa tayo sa relate tayo sa AI. Kailangan din po natin sa ating isip o thoughts.
So, kailangan mo mag-isip.
Yes.
So,
Kailangan mag-isip para ang AI tool lang yan. Tool lang yan.
so just the people need proper ethics lang.
Yes.
So, in short, tulang si AI, hindi siya
Tulang.
buhay mo.
Hindi siya buhay.
Parang ganon. It's not your brain.
So it's not Junitive's fault, it's yours.
It's your fault. Skill issue.
He said it. He said it.
In your current position, what do you think can we minimize or prevent users from excessive usage of Genitive?
I think spreading or discussing with others on the topic of AI reliance, kasi it might dissuade them to use it less often. Like ganon.
So, parang seminar.
Parang ganon. Parang, you know how you debate with your friends, right? So,
Yes. We did that in the first
Oh.
episode.
so parang ganon. We need more buzz about it.
So spreading awareness.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. At kayo po?
For me, para ma-minimize yung paggamit ng AI,
Yeah, like no.
like, read ng books. Tapos, kung di talaga mag-search na lang sa Google.
So like advocate other usage.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm.
Then just
Don't rely on it.
Then just
Yeah.
advocate other uses kaysa na pupunta ka na lang dun mismo sa
So-
mismong AI, no?
yeah,
Usually, ganun pa yung nangyayari sa mga student ngayon. Hindi pa sila nagbabasa talaga. Hindi sila
So,
nag-ano.
hindi sila nagbabasa, AI kagad.
AI ka.
Let's move on naman tayo dun sa school setting since I mean we're all still studying. Nag-aaral pa naman tayo. I mean we're still studying naman. So let's go with the first question. So what implications do you think Gen AI has on like students' attitude on their work responsibilities such as tasks and priorities?
Siguro it might cause them to be more reluctant to spend more time sa homework kung mayroon namang tool na instantly will give them answer, ganon. So, they'd rather parang save time para, do things that we like rather than understanding this problem and
So, being lazy, as Fam said before.
parang ganon, but like, I think it's more on a deeper level. Sige, ganon.
Depende lang talaga sa isip nila.
So the person again.
What about you, Gian?
For me, same as laziness talaga ng isang student or gumagamit ng AI. Kailangan din talaga mag rely on your thoughts not in the AI.
So rely on yourself.
Yes,
Parang
rely
be
on yourself.
confident
Be
sa
confident
work
to
mo.
your work,
Rely on yourself, not on.
not to
Tama naman,
Mm.
he's not wrong.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
not wrong.
Yeah, he's right.
Okay. So, how do we ensure na ng students are still learning the skills that they need sa school even though na-use pa nila ng Gen AI? Your thoughts on it?
Siguro ensuring yung academic integrity, and also perhaps yung shifting into goals of making sure that students understand yung topic. So,
So,
parang kunyari recitation mga ganun. So, parang wala silang magagawa, di ba? You can AI on the spot.
So,
So,
parang tawag dito, pop quiz.
Oo, parang ganon, parang tawag dito. We should focus more on the understanding part, kung nakuha talaga nila yung concept na to and if they can apply it.
they learn po. Nag-learn pa rin po sila talaga.
In what way?
Like, na-discover nila yung hindi nila alam sa AI. Like, may mga ideas na hindi pa nila alam na nila sa AI. Like,
No. Like, paano tawag dito, paano ka nakaka-make sure na kahit na may AI, malalaman pa rin nila na matututunan pa rin nila yung things na dapat nilang matutunan.
may improve pa nila yung nila tawag doon. Their thoughts about topic, about
About the
life
topic.
topic, and yun lang.
So, you mean to say, depende yun sa kanila kung matututunan nila yun kung paano nila anuhin yung study ethics nila.
Yes.
so self-discovery. at
Discovery.
saka-
So,
Self-discovery.
experiences.
Yes.
Self-discovery sa kanya, ito is not the teachers.
Tama naman. I mean, I think it still depends din sa mga teachers kung paano sila magturo. Kasi, I think, there's this, may mga naririnig ako before, like, not in our school, back in my school. Hindi yun nangyari sa mga school na pinuntahan ko. Pero, may mga naririnig ako or nababasa ako somewhere na parang, wala yung teachers, wala na silang pake. They're just dumping works. Tapos, ang gusto nila, self-taught na yung mga students. Kasi, inisip nila may AI naman eh. Kaya, one way or another, they're gonna search it. So, parang, inaano ng teachers, na they're gonna search it na lang, just dump na lang yung workload sa kanila.
So parang,
Parang nakakarinig ako ng mga ganun. So, depende nga din sa teachers. Tsaka, syempre, depende rin yun sa students na gusto talaga matuto.
so just better policies and better training.
Yeah, so what I actually realized sa mga sagot nilang dalawa sa question na to,
Actually,
parang,
meron. May one time na may prof ako na, like, binigyan lang kami ng topic na nun. Tapos,
self-taught na lang.
self-taught na lang. Tapos, ako kasi visual learning kasi ako. Di po
So,
ako
mas gusto mong mas ine-express siya
express
sa'yo.
talaga ng para maintindihan ko yung mga topic.
So, parang nga yun sa sinasabi ni CJ na depende pa rin talaga yun sa teachings ng teachers.
Kaya,
So, yun nga. So, na-realize ko sa sinasabi nilang dalawa, parang nagko-connect.
Yeah.
Lang, kay Gian, sa experiences kung paano anuhin ng mga bata yung pagkakatuto nila. And then, in CJ's case, is paano magiging helpful yung mga teachers sa students na they don't really regulate using AI.
How do you think that the government should regulate the use of Gen AI in education? Like, how do you think the government should regulate? Ganun.
From what I read sa UNESCO, age restriction daw, but I have no idea how that's gonna prevent nga yung parang over-reliance, since AI is very accessible sa internet. So, I think suggest ko rin is implement siguro teaching styles rin sa school. I'm not sure if I can comment on this because I do not know the inner workings of a school to make an opinion about it.
What about you, Gian?
What about you, Gian?
for me po, there should be a clear rules po about AI.
What?
Clear rules po.
Clear
Clear rules about
rules. Fair
consents
rules.
and compensation about if using AI po. And use of train in AI, transparency when AI used in commercial content.
So, parang anuhin ng government na yun nga, na gumamit ng AI, pero dapat, may policies.
Yes.
So, dapat, pag gagamit ka ng AI, parang, you do this, but at the same time, you don't do this.
Yes.
Ganon.
So, like, may I interject? Like, because, sorry, I have another question I forgot to say, but like, it's sort of like the same question as like, Adriel, but like this one is with, creative industry. How do you think the government should regulate the use of generative AI in the creative
So,
industry?
I think they should create laws that protect yung siguro mga creatives or like yung mga inventors ganon. So, in one of my examples kanina 'di ba sa companies na nagle-lay off ng artists dahil they train the models of their work. At yun na yung parang one of the examples na parang why it's important to create like laws about this kasi parang it's taking from parang may issues with ethical talaga. So leaving them financially unsecured or like unemployment.
So, what do you think of yung mga answers ng mga participants natin ngayon?
I really like the insights that we grab, especially sa insights nila on the the examples of how too much dependency
So,
and like their thoughts about it.
So, parang napoprove yung kung ba talaga, kung ano yung nangyayari, kung ano hindi nangyayari kapag when you use AI.
Yeah, and that it's the insights that really sometimes it just depends on the person talaga. Yeah.
Kaya naman aming mga loving participants, what can you say sa mga questions naman na provide namin for you guys?
It's very timely and very like thought-provoking rin siguro. Like how yung yung relations like play in as well. Mga factors rin na pwedeng maka-apekto with the usage of this tool.
What's happening inside and outside of a person.
Yes.
It's, behind closed doors, kung ano nangyayari sa kanila. Ikaw?
For me, yung mga questions yun, medyo nahirapan ako ng konti.
Na-overwhelmed ka?
Overwhelmed lang.
Bakit?
Understandable.
In what way?
About yung sa government and yung sa ganun. Sa mga company, ganun.
Kasi
Like,
nga,
di yun
like
naman
you
ako.
said, na parang you don't really notice it that much pa.
Yeah.
Pero, syempre, second year ka pa lang, once you get higher pa, parang,
Internship.
mga internship.
Doon na.
Oh, yeah.
Siguro, let's say, baka dun mo na, so this is really happening.
Oh.
You will feel it. You will
You will
experience
feel
it.
So, yeah, I think that's about it, you guys. I'm really appreciative dun sa mga pumunta, kahit dalawa kayo. Kasi dalawa lang talaga kayo.
Bakit? Dapat ba magsisplit sila? Maging
Yeah.
clones?
Someone behind. Ay, wala lang tao.
Meron bang ghost?
Diba?
Siguro. No.
Maybe.
No.
May mystery guest ba?
Wag naman. Okay, so, since I'm very appreciative na nandito kayo, we are all thankful na nandito kayo. We actually, tawag dito, we prepared a small token of appreciation. So, we want to give you this for you, CJ.
Akin na.
And for you, Gian.
Wow.
Thank you.
You can open it. It has something inside, pero do not show the camera what it is.
Like-
For your
Ano to?
own eyes only.
Here.
Thank you so much, you guys. I really appreciate your help.
Thank you so much.
I really appreciate how Gian is the shield of It's our shield from
Not really. I mean, I think medyo feeling ko gusto niyang yung mga answers niya ng maayos, pero parang na-overwhelm siya.
Nilalamig din.
Sana sinabi mo. Anyway,
our viewers.
our lovely viewers, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming mini podcast kahit na
Sorry, medyo yappy lang.
Yeah.
Sino yun? Who's that?
It's spiritual. Julie. Let's get out the card.
So that was the ghost.
She's spectating.
Oh my god. So anyway, guys, I hope you all learned and we will see you on the next episode. This time naman, we want to let our participants have their takes.
Huh?
Give your takes to the viewers. Masyado kayong masaya dyan, ha?
Ay, wait. Sige po.
Wait.
Okay. Do you want to say anything to our lovely viewers and listeners?
Use your brain.
Alright. What about you?
Huwag masyadong magpapano sa AI. Yan lang.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
I think we really learned a lot, no?
Yeah.
We learned a lot. Kahit most of the time, sumisingit lang talaga ako. Pero kahit ganon, nakakaintindi ako kung ano nangyayari sa mga happenings. Happening. So, going back, guys, we are gonna see you on the next episode. Say goodbye to our lovely participants kasi ngayon nila lang sila makikita.
Yeah, you'll never see them again.
Yeah.
Hoy! I-take out tayo pagkatas ng interview na to.
Anyways, bye-bye!
Ayo.
Bye!